in this video I'm going to show you how to do daily market forex analysis. It'll just be on 4 pairs that I usually do throughout the day. So I'm going to show you how to analyze the charts and what I do on a daily basis. It's pretty much follow up of what I've been doing the last few videos. So we always start on the DXY because we trade the EURUSD and GBPUSD pairs. So if you trade in DXY dollar index, it gives you indication where the USD pairs are going. So in this case, on the daily, we can see price rejected the previous support in red, bullish candlestick, and now it's follow up bullish, so it indicates price is definitely going up from this level. So because the candlestick is green on a daily, that indicates DXY is going up, EURUSD, GBPUSD is going down. If we go to the H4 time frame, you can see that you had this descending trend line. It's broke out of that and it's continued to go to this H4 level. So today it further clarifies that it's a buy trade. DXY is going up, so it's a sell trade on EURUSD, GBPUSD. So before we do that, we'll go into the EURJPY. If you look on the daily, you can see it's a green candlestick, it indicates buy trades of today. On the H4, you can see that it's currently at H4 resistance. It is currently a bullish candle, so it may breach it. So to enter a buy trade, we would have to wait for it to break, retest, and then go up to this level. So on the retest, that's when we would enter. We wouldn't enter now because it could just go back. So we would have to wait for the confirmation where it's formed a higher high, a higher low, and then enter on the higher low, a buy trade. So we'll have to wait and see. So there's no trade at the moment. Let's have a look. So these are the updated H4 levels. If you go into the H1 time frame, get the Fibonacci retracement tool out, you get from the low of the previous day to the high. So today is Friday, this Thursday's price action, it would be from here, the higher low, to the higher high of that day. So these are the intraday levels. So right now, if price is in this region here, we'd look for buys to go up. If price reaches this region here and we get a bearish engulfing candle, then we would look for a sell. As you can see, price is currently potentially breach the resistance, so we'll just have to wait for a slight pullback and then enter on a buy trade, and that would be TP. So I'll show you the trade setup potentially that we're looking at. If it is a buy trade, look for a long position. This would be your TP minus 61. This would be your stop loss. So you're risking 4 pips to win 10. Risk to reward ratio of 2.5. So we'll see how that goes. We'll just wait for that candlestick to potentially pull back. If it does on an M15, then we would enter a trade. Boom. Easy as that. That's the analysis for today. Just need to wait for price action to come to you. Don't chase the markets, guys. Prices always come to you. I've got the trade set for today. Now I just need to wait for it to come. I pull back and I can execute. Let's go into the next currency. You can see this is a trade that I took yesterday. Made 50 pips. So if you trade £10 a pip, what's that? That's £5,000. So you can see I haven't done that, guys. I haven't done anything analysis in front of you today. This is literally yesterday's entry that I took here, and I took a repeat entry here as well. Price always moves from one level to another. As you can see, move from H1 to another H1. It also move from H4 level to H4. And look at that, guys. Easy as that. Did a repeat entry here where I entered on this candlestick, then I entered here again on the previous lower high, and I made 50 pips on this trade, and I made, if I can just select this smaller one, made 30 pips there. So 50 and 30, that's 80 pips, £8,000 made yesterday. So I'm just going to make a screenshot of that and add it in my diary if you give me a second, just so I've got a trading journal so I can keep track of my trades. Copy image. Cool. So that's yesterday's trade. You'll see entered on this H4 candle, bearish candlestick, but now, as we know, the DXY is going up on a H4, which means EURUSD is only sell trades today. So it's in between the two H4 levels, which is fine. You then go to H1 time frame. Just updating the levels here, so as you can see, this would be the low, the previous low, the high of the day, sorry, to the low. So this would be your levels for when the London session opened today, because obviously you should do your market analysis the night before, but in this case I'm doing it in the morning, and this is the most recent low. So this would be your level here. So if price continued to plummet because DXY is bullish, this indicates EURUSD is going down, so we'd have to wait for it to breach the support, enter on a retest, would go down, enter on the retest, and then enter sell trade. That's how I would do this trade right now. So I'd wait for it to play out, risking 5 pips to win 35 pips. Obviously it could reverse and it could go up from here as it has previously, because it's at support, it is more likely to go back up, but we would have to wait and see what DXY says. If DXY continues to go up, then EURUSD is going down. If DXY reverses and goes down, then we would enter a buy trade on EURUSD. So we'd have to wait and see right now. As you can see, GBPUSD would have been a good sell trade, but unfortunately I've missed it. It's 10:30 today. If I entered the trade at 8 o'clock at London session opened, I would be into a sell trade, but I've had morning meetings, I haven't had a chance. So if you look at the daily price action, it is bearish, it indicates sells into the market, sellers. This is your previous resistance on the H4. As you can see, it's breached it now, so the sell trade would be taken into place. This is the next higher low. If you go to the H1 time frame, use the Fibonacci tool. These would be your levels for when the market opened. Simple as that. Missed the sell trade and now it's going down to here, unfortunately, but that's fine. So if I did enter it this morning, I would have wasted about 10 pips to make 30 pips, 39 pips. Obviously you've got this resistance here as well, so we'll see how it plays out, but if I entered this morning, I would have been in a winning trade. If we look on EURJPY, GBPUSD, sorry, Euro Yen, daily is potentially going down, it's formed a lower high. H4, it's in between the two levels. H1, this is a buy trade that I took yesterday, unfortunately didn't hit TP, but I think I closed it in profits of 50 pips, £5,000, can't remember now. Fibonacci retracement tool, get it from the low of the day to the high. These are your levels for today. If prices here we're looking for buys, if prices here we're looking for sells. Would have been a sell trade this morning at 8 o'clock on that candlestick. Unfortunately I have missed it, so I'd wait for a retracement. If it doesn't, this would be the trade. If you entered on that bearish engulfing candlestick, any of these, let's just say that's 7:45, 8 o'clock, it would have been a good trade, but I've missed it now, so I can't do anything about it. So if you're in it, we'd have to wait to see potential retracement here and then enter a sell. The last one, the USD CAD, it's in between the two daily time frames. It's now made a new H4 resistance, so we can update the H4. There's your support and resistance. You go into the H1 time frame. Look how quickly I'm doing this, guys. It's just second nature for me. I don't even need to think. So comfortable I am with the price action. Here's your support, here's your resistance. Here's support, we look for buys to go up. Here's your resistance, looking for sells to go down. Price is currently at resistance, so we'll have to wait and see if price does go down from here. And if it does go down, this would be my trade setup. Risking 6 pips to win 45 pips. Risk reward ratio is 7.25. Easy as that, guys. I've done my trade setups for today. Now I'm just going to wait and see how the market plays out. DXY usually has a positive correlated price action to the DXY. So if DXY goes up, we can expect USD CAD to go up. If DXY reverses, USD CAD is looking to reverse. So we'll see how it plays out. But that's how I do my daily market analysis. I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. Hope that makes sense to you. I am currently in the process of making a website where I will be charging a subscription service of in detailed daily market analysis of crypto commodities and Forex, as well as developing a course that you can do if you need to know how to learn Forex as a beginner. So like, share and subscribe. You will be updated when that is released. It will be released in the next few weeks. Take care, guys. Have a nice weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Peace.